What's happening, guys? My name is Clinton and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about the simplest way to set up React in your system and start developing with it. But before we set up React in our system, let's talk about what React actually is. React is a JavaScript library that was created by Facebook, and it's used for building user interfaces, mostly reusable UI components. In an MVC framework, you can think of React like the view. So by UI components, we mean front-end design, like what you see on the screen, pages you see on the screen, elements you see on the screen. So React is fully a front-end library that only operates with views and data. Now that we know what React is, let's talk about how actually React works. React basically operates like a single page application with a root element where all the components are displayed. React doesn't manipulate the DOM, doesn't manipulate the browser DOM directly. It instead creates a virtual DOM, performs the changes in memory, then updates the browser DOM. React efficiently updates and render just the right component when your data changes, and not the entire DOM. It only updates what is relevant and what has changed. And this is a very huge performance boost. Now that we understand how React works, let's now go and set up React in our system. So the simplest way to set up React in your system is to use a package called Create React App, provided by React developers themselves, Facebook. So to be able to install this package, you must have Node installed in your system. To install Node, just go to Google, search for Node, then download, click on download, and download an installer for your operating system, and just follow the steps and install. Once Node is installed, then you need to install either yarn or npm, whichever you prefer. So you can run npm install npm. If you're on Linux or Mac, you need to run a sudo, then install it as a global package. Sudo npm install -g npm, provide my password, and wait for it to install. If you prefer yarn, just change npm to yarn, like so, and execute. Now once you've installed Node and installed npm or yarn, now you can use you need to install the package using Node npm install. Install this as a global package as well. If I'm on Linux, I'll use sudo install -g, then react space react -app. Wait for the package to install. If you are on Windows as well, you need to install it. You need to install it as a global package. Don't forget to add the -g tag. Now the package is installed, we can use it now to set up React in our system. Now to use the package, you run npx create, the package name, create react -app, then the project name, in this case, setting up React, and then execute the command and wait for it to create the project. Give it a few seconds, it will execute and create the project for you. As you can see, it's already executing and creating the project. Depending on your internet speed and processing power of your machine, it will be either slow or fast, but it won't take much time. Just give it a few seconds. So when you use this package, it will come with a boilerplate that will run automatically and has all the basic requirements for running a basic React app. React DOM will be installed, React scripts will be installed, dev environment will be installed. So you can just, once it's finished, you can just go into the project and start the project just by running npm start, and the project will be up and running, and it will open direct in your browser and you're good to go. My internet is a bit slow today, just bear with me. Now the package has finished creating the project. You can just move into the project, cd setting React app, and then execute the project in npm start, and it will run. Just give it a few seconds, it will open in the browser, and boom, you're good to go. There you go. There you have it, it's running without errors. That's it guys for today, and in my next video I'll dive deep into React syntax and components. I hope you enjoyed, and